guys, I'm here from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese roast beef on rice. This is my favorite food. It's so delicious. So please watch this video and try to cook it. Okay, let's enjoy cooking.
First, sprinkle salt over the beef. Use your hand to rub salt over the surface of the beef. Then sprinkle black pepper over the beef. Use your hand to rub it over the surface of the beef. Pour some oil into the pan and spread it on the pan. Add the beef to the pan and stir the surface of the beef. Once the beef is cooked on one side, cook the other side. Cook the other side as well. When the surface of the beef is browned, spread aluminum foil and wrap the beef. Place it in a heat-resistant bag and close the bag. At this time, the air inside the bag is removed to create vacuum. Boil water in a pot. Lower the heat to low and place the bag of beef into the pot. Boil it for 1 minute. Turn off the heat and put the plate or something on top of the bag to prevent it from floating. Cover and cook in residual heat for 25 to 30 minutes. During this time, make the sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet sake, and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic to the frying pan where the beef was cooked. Mix them and heat them. Turn off the heat when the sauce boils. The sauce is completed. Remove beef to a cutting board. Slice the beef thinly with a knife. Today, I cook the beef rare, so if you like medium or well done, put the lid on and let it cook for other 10 to 15 minutes. It's easier to cut if you remove the aluminum foil. Put the rice in the bowl. Place the sliced beef on top of the rice. Place the egg yolk on top of the beef. Place the wasabi next to the egg yolk. Finally, sprinkle green onions on it. The Japanese-style roast beef bowl is completed. Today, I made roast beef and sauce with an easy-to-make recipe and put them on top of the rice. The combination of meat, egg yolk, sauce, and wasabi is very good, and it is very delicious. Please try it.
Thank you for your viewing. How was roast beef on rice? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and subscribe button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!